What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here's a market structure update for SoFi Technologies, which I did last week Tuesday, and since then price has continued to rocket higher. I was expecting another move down, but the bull trend was so strong it did not even allow a decent sized pullback. So right about here, you can see there was a pullback from Wednesday up until Thursday, and then price just continued to move up higher. So the pullback was not that big, it was just a small one right there. And why was I expecting higher prices to begin with? So if we go and zoom out, you can see there was some resistance right at the $8 level. It was basically a range pattern that price was inside of. Resistance at the $8 level, support at right around the mid $4 level. Price broke out the resistance, but that doesn't mean it's gonna succeed on that breakout. You have to look for a couple attempts back that fails. So we had this impulse up, price bounced off of this level once, price bounced off of this level twice, strong push above the level, nice green bull bar, and you can see that traders are definitely entering above that, and they're capitalizing on the bullish imbalance because price should have went lower. So you can see those one leg down here, second leg down was targeting the 689, and price could not reach it. So I was just looking for another attempt down. So sometimes this could have been a trap. So we could have got another attempt down like that, and then a move up higher. That would have been like perfect, but this time price just continued higher, and it looks like it's probably just gonna be targeting the highs of this uptrend channel, because normally after uptrend channel gets a break, you expect two attempts in that direction. So we saw one attempt right over here, and currently we are in the second attempt. We're finding some resistance right now because the measured move is met, but that doesn't mean it's going to reverse right away. Again, measured moves are just targets, and we can still continue higher. So momentarily, we're finding resistance. You see that price is having a hard time surpassing this 957 level because that's where the measured move is. This was the first leg up. This was the second leg up. But there's still a good chance for price to continue higher to knock out this prior high. So we'll see if it does that. Maybe we are even going inside of a wider uptrend channel. This looks like it could come into play in the future. We only have two touches. I'm going to count this as the initial touch. This is the second touch, so we'll see if this comes into play. But as right now, it still looks pretty good towards the upside. So that's all I have for Baidu on the daily chart, or excuse me, SoFi on the daily chart. I've been doing a lot of chart reviews. SoFi on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at SoFi on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for SoFi Technologies, and you see that I'm just going to be looking for higher prices because it looks pretty bullish. So the first one would be retesting that prior high at the $10.23 level. That's where the IPO price was. That's where this initial pop-up retraced to, and we got rejected. Now it looks like we could still retest it. So that would be the first target. If we see a breakout, the next target would be the $14 level. Because that's where it looks like price tested this level multiple times, so that's a key level. If I do a measure move up, where would it go? That's the first leg. Second leg, if we bottom right over here at the mid $7 level, it would take prices to the 1357 level. So very close also toward that $14 target. So we'll see if that can be reached. Right now, it still looks pretty bullish. And that's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week, Tuesday. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.